it hurts less because you get to decide what's your truth right now. Diba? Tapos ikaw rin, pag umalis ka, andun rin yung thought na, okay, this is the truth that I'm picking up. I could actually decide that my truth is I don't need to go to abroad or to go to another country to actually work.
The agreement between you and that person has been broken kasi like, why? Why did you leave? Ano bang ginawa ko? Was there something na nakasira ba that I personally did? And that's the thing, yung perspective mo is just you. You know,
Yeah.
like, what did I do? What did I do? Pero you were never thinking about what did the person did wrong.
Sobrang believe ako sa mga first boyfriend nila
First
or
and last,
girlfriend na napakasalan nila. Grabe talaga, like, my
The
God.
patient.
Patience and learning. No? Na-learn mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo and you saw it in him or her.
That's true.
Right? They won't know you're hurt if you won't be open that you're hurt.
Yeah.
Hindi na sila mamuhula. And you as well, you don't know how they feel going away. People are limited with how they operate. No? Yun yung nagkukos kung bakit may nangiiwan at may naiiwan.
To leave and to get left behind, I've experienced both. And both hurts tremendously. Especially when you know that it only hurts because these people that leave or you leave mean a lot to you. Diba? Sabihin na lang natin na these friends, diba? These friends have left you and you've left them siguro in some point in your life. But even if you have the most acceptable reasons, diba? It goes both ways. Or they have the reason to leave you. Diba? Parang even if like acceptable, okay, understand, I have to leave you, you have to leave me. But it doesn't change the fact that it hurts. And it feels like there's always gonna be something missing mo. Na that person has been with you for the longest time. And suddenly like,
Wala na. Parang bula. May friend ako, pangalan niya Bubbles. Nawala talaga siya.
kayo, diba?
Yeah. Ako naman, I've experienced leaving someone, and I've also experienced being left behind. So same with Kiko. And if level parang i-rate natin ano yung mas masakit. Mas masakit talagang maiwan. No? Because it creates the feeling of parang insert Liza Soberano meme, di ba? Kulang ba ako?
Palit-palit mo
Pero,
ako.
yeah, it's the fact that the questions keep bombarding, bakit ako iniwan, or why am I not included in that group, or why am I not included in that endeavor or journey? And you get to question yourself na, kulang pa ba yung ginawa ko, or is it something that I don't see in myself? And sometimes most of the people cannot face those questions well. No? Parang pag tinanong nila yun sa sarili nila, it affects them negatively. Personally, ako, before, sobrang negatively affected ako. Basta when I get left behind. Kaya it's more painful for me. But recently, with the past few days, when I get to realize na, okay, this person is drifting away from me, I always see it in a perspective na may ibang pumapasok sa buhay natin. I see it more on if a person is drifting away from me, I see it more as, okay, this person has already taught me what I need to learn. No? Kaya hindi na siya masakit. But in terms of kung anong mas masakit maiwan. Kasi when you're the one na nangiiwan ng ibang tao, di ba? Parang you always rationalize why you left. You always get to give reasons or justifications or excuses na kung bakit ginawa mo yun. Because we don't want to be on the wrong side. Default ng tao, they want to be right. So that's why hindi siya masakit because we always think na okay, this was the right decision to make.
Yeah. Interesting. Kasi like almost I feel like all three of us have experienced that stuff. You know, like naiwanan tayo, we were left behind, and then tayo rin yun ang iwan. Sa akin naman like naiwan ako dun sa relationship ko back then. You know, like you said, it does hurt talaga when iniwan ka because sometimes you don't even know what happened.
Yeah.
You know, then caught off guard ka, unexpected, you know, the agreement between you and that person has been broken kasi like, why? Why did you leave? Ano bang ginawa ko? Was there something na nakasira ba that I personally did? And that's the thing, yung perspective mo is just you.
Mhm.
You know,
Yeah.
like, what did I do? What did I do? Pero you were never thinking about what did a person did wrong. Diba? So, yun yung nang iwan sa akin. Pero at the same time naman, yung ako yung nang iwan, it's more so relationship with my family.
Mm.
Kasi I was, experience ko talaga was that I left Philippines to go to the US,
The
abroad.
US.
Iniwan ko yung mom ko at saka yung kapatid ko. And that actually hurt as well. You know, kasi like, as the guy, as the man in the house, kumbaga, iniwan ko yung dalawang babae sa buhay ko. So it was really tough. And, nakita ko rin yung consequences noon. Naghirap rin sila. Pero at the same time, yung reasoning ko was that I needed to do that. And the interesting thing was that as I grew up, I realized that I actually did the same thing as my dad did.
Yeah.
You know, like parang I had to live for my family, parang ganun. And then after that, I was like, why?
Pero totoo, leaving, for me actually, leaving hurts more. Because then you know na, ayun, your reasons, parang, the guilt is there. You blame yourself why ngayon ka lang umalis. And it's not only hurting someone else, you're also hurting yourself in the process.
Yeah.
Diba? To think na, oh no, I have to leave this person that means a lot to me because of the reasons. Oo, may reasons, pero deep in your, parang sa sarili mo, parang, I don't want to do this, but I have to.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this, but I need to.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, shit. Diba? And
Yeah,
parang
yeah,
moral
yeah.
decision mo na. It's like, I could keep this person with me and it hurts me, or I can leave this person and it hurts me still.
May point ka doon, I actually just started to realize na when you're left behind kasi, at least the pain is temporary, in a way. Kasi nga, the emotion is attached to that person that you may never actually meet anymore. Pero kung ikaw yun ang iwan, at least in the context of family, the pain lingers on because you're gonna go back pa rin, but na iniwan mo sila.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, I was like, God, that's a very hard decision unless na talaga you end up reconciling na yun yung kailangan mong gawin.
And I think it's still what plays a key role in why we feel shitty or why we feel bad about being left behind or leaving someone behind. It's because yun rin yung truth that we have set onto the situation. Eh parang okay, I need to leave because I need to support my family or this person, and that is my truth right now. That's why I need to do this. Parang there's that justification. Kasi on a personal experience. Like I grew up with parents working in abroad. Both my mother and father they work abroad. I was even born abroad, diba? And after a few weeks of being born, pinadala ako. Ay pinadala. I I traveled. I traveled to the Philippines as a
Wow.
baby, diba? Traveler since birth, ganun. Nag-travel talaga, pinadala pa. Pumunta ako kay wait,
Dinala ka.
dinala ko nila mama kila lola. So, because that's the Pinoy thing to do.
Yeah.
Na, I work abroad, my kids, the grandparents can take care of these kids, right? That's the truth that time. That's what they think is right, and that's an option that they think is, we can do this. So, yun yung nangyari sa akin, in which even until now they're still working abroad, right? And I'm 20x years old. Walang
Yeah.
age reveal po sa episode na to. I'm 20x years old, and you know what? It has been very painful on the first half of that journey. But because I decided that my truth right now is I wasn't left behind, I wasn't abandoned, or I was unloved, but rather I was supported. I was actually taken care of in a way that they know how. I shifted na, okay, they're doing that because they love me. And it hurts less. Hindi ko sinabing na wala na talaga lahat ng
Oh,
hurt.
yeah.
But, it hurts less because you get to decide what's your truth right now. 'Di ba? Tapos ikaw rin, pag umalis ka, andun rin yung thought na, okay, this is the truth that I'm picking up. I could actually decide that my truth is I don't need to go to abroad or to go to another country to actually work. Yeah, and maybe it's because of the fact that people are limited with how they operate, no? Yun yung nagko-cause kung bakit may nangiiwan at may naiiwan.
Iiwan.
Yeah, because they think that, oh, this is the only option, right? If you compare it to a person who actually has limitless ideas of what he can do, he won't immediately decide na, oh, okay, gagawin ko to. Aalis ako. Mag-iisip muna siya ng ways bago siya mag-decide na, okay, mangiiwan ako or maiiwan ako. Right? And that's what I've been working on right now. Na, what are my options? That I get to decide where I can become a better person while not affecting things around me negatively.
Correct.
But rather creating a win-win situation na, okay, possible na aalis ako. Pero possible rin na babalik ako. Ayaw kong sabihin na aalis ako forever.
Forever.
Yeah, babalik ako. I'm just there to go out and I need to do something to actually help me and help us. Then I'm gonna go back.
Yeah.
Because that time, at least sure na ako na hindi ka naiiwan.
Kajut lang.
Kajut lang.
Balik na ko.
Balik rin ko.
Pero kamu duha, like
Yeah.
both of you are actually talking about families, right?
Yeah.
You have been left,
Mm-mm.
diba? By your family and you left your family.
Diba?
With that, gusto ko lang makita yung like comparison on like if you were the one left, how did that affect you or how did that affect your thinking when it comes to like people? And if you're the one who left, kamusta ka doon? Like, di ba? Sobrang different kasi niyan na pag iniwan ka, parang isipin mo, no one loves me anymore.
Yeah.
Pero pag ikaw yung nang iwan, it's like, I'm doing this because I love you. Ganyan. How does that, like,
So, for me naman is that, let's just say, perspective na iniwan ay in let's just say family, in the context of family, right? Yes, yung feeling of abandonment is there. You know, I can only imagine like, when I was left behind by my, by my dad to actually work siya abroad, I felt abandoned. At that point, kasi ako lang naman yung, I was the only child back then. And then now, when I did it, yung kapatid ko na babae, I can already 100% certain that's what she felt. Kasi, from our
You were
talks
there.
naman, yeah, from our talks and then yung mga shares niya rin na kay mama is like, that's what she felt like nga raw. Kasi nga ako yung naging role model niya as she grew up eh. Kumbaga ako yung naging pseudo father niya in a way. So and then after that, I left, di ba? I can only imagine kung ano talaga.
it's parang dalawang fathers yung nang iwan sa kanya.
Yeah, di ba? Like, well, in this case, parang ganun na nga, di ba? Pero, and then that really hurt me. That's why, like, ako, from the perspective now na nang iwan, is that it was very opposites on what I actually wanted to happen. Kasi like, in a way, when I left for the US, meron akong kapatid doon. And then now, she was the one receiving me. So meaning lumaki siya with me during her formative age. And then after I was always thinking na ayoko mang-iwan ng tao, but here I am again leaving people. Diba? Which is like you said kanina is na, sometimes when you're the one leaving behind, you start to justify things, make excuses, but in the end, you're still leaving people.
Yeah.
Pero the comfort there is that you know that you're doing it because you need to.
Yeah.
Pero sometimes the people, on the receiving end, yung naiwan, they
Wouldn't
don't know that.
understand.
They don't understand that unless na lang sabihin mo.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Openness. Ako naman,
Openness, yeah. Awareness.
Yeah, ako is naging normal na sa akin na may aalis na tao because of the experience. Like may mawawala, may aalis, when a relationship is stopped or friendship is stopped, normal for me na okay. Hindi na kami friends because I experience it almost every year na okay, aalis. Pero here's the thing, every time that a relationship or a friendship may isang part or isang side na aalis, I also have that belief that they will still go back. Kasi sila mama, maalis, sumabalik pa rin ng Pilipinas, right? And I think it's kind of a nice opportunity for people na to think of kung naiwan ka or kung ikaw naman yung nang iwan, you're actually not bad people. Yeah. Because the one who will decide that you are bad is you. If you decide na I'm bad because I left people or I'm bad right now because I feel abandoned or I feel hatred kasi iniwan ako, it's still your inner decision, right? And it's a tough challenge and it's a tough process for you to actually fight that feeling. No, kaya nga sabi ko I'm still on that journey sinasabi ko hindi masama yung mga taong maalis or hindi rin masama yung mga taong naiiwan, no? Or justified yung feeling nila of being sad or being bad. It's valid, yes, but the question there is, would you really want to experience that emotion for years or a very long time? 'Di ba? Parang ako rin, I'm an advocate of, I experienced that, being uh full of hatred for years, or being sad for years, feeling unloved for years. And when I decided na no, I'm actually loved by these people, I'm actually supported, sobrang gaan sa feeling nun. But it was such a long process because nobody was telling me na hindi sila masama.
Okay lang.
No, hindi rin masama yung sitwasyon mo. It's actually okay if you decide it's okay. And I want to be an evidence of it is possible to actually think that way, right? But if you're currently challenged on thinking that way, it's still okay because you're already on your process. What's good is aware ka na pala na, okay, pwede pala akong mag-forgive, pwede pala akong mag-shift like how I think about around my situation. And that has been my practice constantly.
You don't know. You don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
You don't know what you don't know. At the end of the day, the next step is just acceptance.
Yep.
Diba? So what I got from that is, as a point of view of both, I think that it all boils down to reason why you left. And I guess it's your, you have to take account the person you're leaving or the person who left you, that sila mismo may reasons.
Yeah.
And it's up to you if you accept that reason, if you take it good, if you take it bad. Yan siya, di ba? So, yun nga. At the end of the day, we're still gonna talk about asan yung mas masakit ba talaga?
Yeah.
Di ba?
And I would like to pick up what Red had said earlier na it's really still about openness. They won't know you're hurt if you won't be open that you're hurt. No, Hindi sila mamuhula. And you as well, you don't know how they feel going away. So it would be a good opportunity if you get to sit down and just tatanungin nyo lang kung open ka bang magpakatotoo ngayon.
Open-minded ka ba?
Open-minded ka.
Open ka bang magpakatotoo ngayon kasi I'm gonna be real with you, and it's not something that people do normally.
Yes,
But it's actually something that should be done normally. No? Just to be open na, okay, na-hurt ako, na umalis ka. But I just want to understand you more na bakit ka umalis. And babalik ka ba? Kasi pag sinabing hindi na babalik, or at least you have no expectations anymore.
That's true.
And you just get to say goodbye. I learned a lot from you. Thank you so much for the time and the memories. 'Di ba? Magaan, wala ka nang panghahawakan pa. You can move on immediately.
Feel like it might be different as well. Okay, it might be different as well when, well, let's just say context, diba? Like I feel like for this scenario, we're talking mostly about family. Kasi
Yeah.
what if it was like romantic
relationship.
Dude, that's hard.
Yeah. It's a different case.
It's a different case.
How do you even begin to I'm leaving you? Why?
You
Basta?
you can't
Di
even.
kasi ako nakikipag-break.
Ikaw yung binibreak.
You know to yourself that you're hurt.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
In the leaving end, diba? On the leaving end, I know I'm hurt leaving you because you've been with me. We've gone through so much already. And it's so hard for me to do this, but I guess the only reason boils down to I have to do this for myself.
It's not you guys.
It's me. Exactly. Ano siya? Cliche siya. Every movie says that it's not you, it's me, but it's true. It's not you, it's actually me. I'm the problem. I'm leaving. I don't have anything bad, unless you do have something bad.
So it's not you, it's me not liking you. I'm just saying.
Being real.
Being real. It's me pa rin, but
Diba?
it's
Yeah.
still about you.
Yeah. But it's true. You can't, even the most toxic relationships that I know, people will tell them na, just leave the person. And they will still say, no, sakit kayo. Sobrang sakit na wala siya. Even though and then it goes back to what you were saying na, if you hold on to it, it's gonna hurt more. But if you let them go, it's gonna hurt sandali, and then it's gonna go away. I guess that's just, that's where it all boils down to.
Yeah.
Na, di ba? If you leave or you get left, at the end of the day, it's up to you if you like, okay, I guess I just have to move on. I just have to move forward. Or are you gonna keep that inside? If that's what fuels you, then go. Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero at the end of the day, you're still bound to forgive, accept, and reconcile.
Yeah, and every situation has its price, right? And its consequences. Alam niyo na yun, di ba? May ano talaga, may good thing kung pagpapatuloy mo, may bad thing rin kung may pagpapatuloy mo.
Correct.
So, siguro kaya may yung mga kahit na toxic yung relationship nila, they still tell other people, no, I don't want to leave this person because there's something good that she or he is getting from the relationship that she can't seem to let go. Na despite whatever bad things that are already happening, mas inohold on niya yung good.
I can fix him.
Yeah. But that's the case. What if you decide to move on, the next person will still be a same scenario. There's still a good thing if you're gonna stay with that person, and there's still a price if you get to stay with that person. Kasi wala namang perfectong tao.
Siyempre.
Yeah, ang akin lang is each time you get into a relationship, sulitin mo na. Learn a lot from that person. I-learn mo na yung both good and bad. Ano yung gusto mo and ano yung ayaw mo. At the same time, you can also get to practice na, okay, this is what I want in a relationship and this is what I actually have trouble working with. How about you? Ganyan. Tapos pag nag-work out na naging open kayo, good. If not talaga, then the next person that actually what can help you create a better relationship is actually your previous relationship.
That's true.
Kaya nga yung mga first time na sobrang bilib ako sa mga yung first boyfriend nila
First
or
and last.
girlfriend na napakasalan nila. Grabe talaga, like, my
The
God.
patient.
Patience and learning. No? Na-learn mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo and you saw it in him or her.
That's true.
Right? And for those na nasa multiple hindi sabay-sabay. Pero yung ano na, from one relationship to another, sulitin mo na yung heartbreaks mo.
Correct,
You learn from the previous experiences. Wag na yung heartbroken ka sa ganitong bagay, tas pag nasa next relationship ka, ganun pa rin yung magkakos ng sakit sa'yo. And it's still a matter of what you're, in this case, it's a matter of what you're leaving behind emotionally, and what you know about the person. And actually, going out or parang ikaw na yung aalis sa situation mo, bringing in what you can bring from the previous relationship. Perfect. Like every people we meet, there's a lesson to learn. Like kahit yung mga nakakasalubong lang natin, 'di ba? Merong mga tao niya na parang ay, iinis ako sa tao to. Kahit di naman kami magkakilala, right? But the learning there is parang what is it
What is
in this
about the
person
story?
that I'm actually irritated or annoyed with, right? And it's a learning for you na, okay, inis ako sa book niya kasi ganun pala yung book ko dati.
That's
Ah,
true.
So,
That's
when
very
you figure that out, you leave that behind.
That's true.
Doon na naman tayo, mang-iwan na naman tayo.
Tayo na naman mang-iwan.
Kaya hindi masama ang mang-iwan. It's a matter of what you're actually leaving behind.
Tama,
Yeah.
tama. So to leave someone behind or to get left behind is very circumstantial.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we acknowledge na it hurts.
Yeah.
But sometimes it will be temporary. Meron ng cases na it's long-term talaga. Depende na lang on what you put meaning into it. Like anong meaning lalagay mo doon, and then after how you're going to deal with it. Diba? So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, please, share your stories. Nang-iwan ba kayo or iniwan kayo? Masakit ba?
Siyempre.
Siyempre.
What's the learning from those people?
What's the
Kasi
learning?
this is an opportunity for you to actually thank them. Na dahil iniwan mo ko, ito yung natutunan ko.
Yeah.
At dahil naiwan kita.
Andito na ako.
Babalik pala. Hindi, ito rin yung gusto kong dalhin from what I have experienced from you.
There you go.
Yeah. That's always parang, let's move forward pa rin with positivity. Like that hurt, that emotion you're feeling, that's actually your fuel. And if ito na-learn ko lang to kanina talaga, it's in the principle of Kabbalah. How big your desire is, that's also how big the pain will be. Like, if your desire is a soulmate, the perfect soulmate, you're gonna experience the heartbreak of a lifetime. Because you need to learn from that heartbreak for you to actually meet and handle the right person.
Equivalent exchange.
Yes, it's still about balance pa rin. Di pwedeng lahat ng girlfriend mo masaya yung experience mo.
Correct.
Lahat ng
Correct.
boyfriend mo
Tama.
masasaya lang lahat.
That's true.
Kasi if masaya, ba't naghiwalay? Right? So you need to know what was wrong in that. It's still a balance.
Yes.
Tama. So hopefully everybody learned something from this episode. Comment down below ano mga questions nyo about this, to let go ba or to leave someone behind. I don't know. To stay or to stay. I don't know. Baka trip nyo lang magstay dyan sa relationship nyo. I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Like and follow our page here. Comment, share this episode to anybody who feel mo nakaka-relate dito. And then, of course, till next time.